Hey everyone, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel, The English Class with Neha Juneja. And in today's video, we are going to learn chapter number 8 from the book Beehive of Class 9 CBSE Board, and the chapter's name is Reach for the Top. This chapter has two parts, so in this video, we are going to learn part number 1, that is about Santosh Yadav. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon right next to it for further notifications. Introduction. This is a very interesting lesson that fills our heart with a desire that nothing is impossible in this world. The story reveals the bold and courageous act of Santosh Yadav. We learn from her that nothing is impossible in the world if we have dedication and firm determination to achieve our goal. The story teaches us that the courageous persons have capability to overcome hurdles and reach the top of success. Message. The life of Santosh Yadav is full of messages. She has taught the women that they are not inferior. They have capability to do what men have achieved. She also teaches them that hurdles are bound to come in our way of success. Here comes the detailed summary of the lesson. Santosh's early life. Santosh was born in a small village named Juniawaz of Rewari district in Haryana. In her village, birth of a girl child was not welcomed. Before her birth, a holy man was about to give her mother the blessing of a son, but her grandmother insisted that they wanted a daughter. Santosh is the only sister to her 5 brothers. Her family named her Santosh as it means contentment, which shows their happiness on her birth. Santosh was not like the other village girls. In her childhood, she wore shorts while other girls in her village wore traditional Indian dresses. At the age of 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married, but she refused to get married and wanted to study. Santosh's education. Despite being rich, her parents sent her to the village school. She decided to fight the system, so she enrolled herself in a school in Delhi against her parents' wishes. She went to Jaipur for higher studies after completing her schooling. Santosh's dream. As Santosh's hostel room in Jaipur faced the Aravalli Hills, she used to watch people climbing the hill. She got curious and went to meet the mountaineers one day. She asked them if she could join them. They agreed and encouraged her to take mountaineering. She enrolled herself in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and then she didn't look back. She informed her parents about this and apologized to them for taking admission without their permission. A remarkable climber. Santosh went for an expedition every year and developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. Her determination and strong willpower helped her a lot. Dream comes true. Conquering Mount Everest is a dream that every climber wishes to fulfill. Santosh achieved this success in 1992 when she was only 20 years old. She became the youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. Within a year, she scaled Mount Everest again and became the only woman mountaineer in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. She also saved the life of Mohan Singh, who was her fellow climber. A true environmentalist. Santosh shares her feeling of hoisting the national flag on the top of the world. She says that unfurling Indian tricolor on the Everest was a proud, spiritual and undescribable moment for her. She collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Honored with the top award. Santosh Yadav was honored with one of the top awards, the Padma Shri, in recognition of her achievements by the Government of India.